Alden Richard update, inihintay na si Alden dyan sa The 7 Edis Entertainment Editor's Choice Award, kung saan wagi si Alden bilang box office hero at meron din siya nominee bilang best actor. Yan ang tanong, atin kaya si Alden. Ito for
What's up, Oxecure fam? This is Alden Richards, and for today's video, syempre, magbibigay lang ako ng feedback sa isa sa mga paborito kong Oxecure products that I've been using for the past 4 years, which is the Oxecure Acne Clear Facial Cleanser. So apparently kasi, because of tapings, di ba, lagi tayong merong makeup or sometimes prosthetics. And then, what I really like about this product is talagang it really removes all the unnecessary dirt and debris sa mukha ko whenever I get to do those kinds of things sa taping. So, I'm very happy with this product kasi not only na it's affordable, but talagang nakakatulong siya with my clear skin. As you can see, talagang isa ang Oxecure sa mga produktong ginagamit ko whenever I go to tapings and on a daily basis as well. So, get yours now. Available sa mga suking tindahan ninyo. And thank you.
Ito naman yung ganap ni Alden, yung kaninang umaga, and fun run for Brilliant Skin. Yan, kasama si Alden at Mrs. Glenda at marami pang iba. Ay, tumakbo sila dyan. Yan, nakamaray pa nga si Alden. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Richard Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thanks for watching.